Everyone, I hope all of you are doing well. With the exams approaching us in a couple of months time, we have been getting queries from students and parents on how we can help them in the last minute. So what we have decided is we will fragment our course content into small chapters, small topics, where the student can access the video lectures of only a particular topic that he or she is having difficulty with.
This is layer A and this is layer B in green. Now notice there are some spaces which are black spaces. It is going through both the layers, is it not? What is that? That is an octahedral void.
Okay, we assume this corner of the room as the origin. This edge is the x-axis, this edge is the y-axis, and the other edge would be the z-axis. Okay, please remember 3-dimensional coordinate system. Z-axis is not southwest direction. It is perpendicular to the board and outside.
What we see here is all the colors, and these colors are merging with each other, right? And this is what we call the continuous spectrum. If I add a drop of phenolphthalein, right, the solution is pink, which means it is basic. Other 2 drops should do it. Right. All the bicarbonate has been consumed, and the next drop of HCl has made the solution what? Acidic. This octahedral void you can view through both the layers, right? So see. Yes, you can see through this. This is the octahedral void.
So the first displacement to this notebook would be what? Theta 1, 90 degrees anti-clockwise about z. How should I rotate the body? I will rotate in this way, anti-clockwise about the z-axis, 30 degrees about the y-axis. This is how I should rotate the body. So this is the surface which is pointing towards you. Forces at the ends, the entire thing will stretch. Now if I apply force at an intermediate cross section, then what? Then only the middle part will stretch. The either ends are what? Is slackened.
Okay, let's try to understand this question. The question is like this. Let's say this is a sheet of paper. Okay. So now what we do is we take this edge. We take this edge and fold it over so that it comes along the opposite side.
The student can go through those lectures and then solve the problems from our study material based on that lecture, and then he'll get a live session where he can get the doubts clarified. This mode will really help students to move forward with their studies and do their preparation well. All the best. Bye-bye.